Early in the Book of Mormon, when the prophet Nephi introduces himself, he explains that he was writing in the learning of the Jews and the language of the Egyptians. Much later in the Book of Mormon, the prophet Moroni describes this as Reformed Egyptian. Yet Joseph Smith was roundly criticized on this point by early Book of Mormon critics. However, substantial evidence suggests that some ancient Israelites actually used Egyptian writing with Hebrew influences during Nephi's time. What's even more remarkable was that all these discoveries became known after the publication of the Book of Mormon. Some Israelite texts at the time of Nephi employed numbers and signs from an ancient Egyptian script called Hieratic. There are over 200 samples of Hieratic found in the regions of Israel and Judah. Some of these even dated to 600 years before Nephi, and they even suggest a widespread presence of Judahite scribes educated in this variety of Egyptian script. It's very possible that Nephi had similar training as these scribes did. This could very well be the learning of the Jews and the language of the Egyptians referred to by the prophet Nephi, which, after almost 1,000 years, became the Reformed Egyptian mentioned by the prophet Mormon. In this respect, the Book of Mormon has aged better than its detractors. The implications are clear. Scribes or students contemporary with Nephi were being trained in both Hebrew and Egyptian writing systems. The use of Egyptian script by Nephi's descendants now becomes not only plausible, but perfectly reasonable in the light of archaeological discoveries made more than a century after Joseph Smith translated the Book of Mormon.